In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect both soundbar to LG TV. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly connect any both soundbar to any LG TV model. You will be able to do this easily, and all of the audio being output through your TV will go over to the soundbar. There are various ways to do this, and in this video I want to show you two of the best ones in my opinion. The first one is going to be HDMI. This is a very standard connection type, and usually you will have an HDMI cable included with your soundbar or TV. All that you have to do is look for the ports. They will usually be at the back or the side of your TV. So plug one end of the HDMI cable into the TV, and then another one into the both soundbar. By doing this, the connection will be established, and you will be able to go over to the settings, audio devices, and switch it to the HDMI audio device being used. I'm going to show you how to do this later for most LG models. Next, you have the option to use an optical cable. Just like HDMI, this is another very standard connection type, and you will be able to do it easily by using a cable. Once again, you plug one end of the cable into your TV and another one into the both soundbar. By establishing this connection, once again, all of the audio being output on the TV will go over through the soundbar. So you plug one end into the optical in cable or optical in port of the soundbar and then the optical out port on the TV. Once this connection is established, all of the audio will be output correctly. And if you want to ensure that the connection was established, just go over to the settings. So access the settings through your TV remote or go through the settings digitally on your TV. And then when you access the audio category, you will be able to find all of the devices connected. Just choose the optical device or the HDMI device and switch it here to use a wired speaker. You can also use both soundbars wirelessly through Bluetooth, but this is going to depend on the specific model of TV that you are using. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect both soundbar to LG TV. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.